Michelle, the man in front of you, will you have him, Raphael, to be your wedded husband, to live together in the holy estate of matrimony? Will you love him, honor him, and keep him in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, keep only to him, so long as you both shall live?
I will.
Nagsimula yung love story natin. Way back October 2009, most of our friends and family nagtatanong, paano ba tayo nagsimula? Kwento ko lang po saglit Fourth year high school ako noon. First year college ka noon. Pareho tayo nasa volleyball team, same school. Then one day, 2009 to uso pa nito yung GM, group message kung tawagin. Nadaanan ako ng group message na to. Sabi niya to volleyball team, GM, yun ang sabi niya. Tapos sabi ko, who's this? Kasi random yung number Tapos nagpakilala ka agad siya, Michelle Bautista, yung sa college volleyball team. Tapos sabi ko, saan mo nakuha yung number ko? Sabi niya, sa pinsan mo kay Dan. Agad-agad kong tinawagan si Dan nun kasi na-curious ako sino Single ako that time. Sabi ko, Dan, sino ba yung Michelle Bautista? Pinakita niya sa akin yung photo. Tapos sabi ko, pwede. Medyo maganda. Then after 2 months, naging tayo. Hindi ko alam kung ikaw yung nagsagot o ako yung sumagot sa'yo. Pero umamin ka sa akin nun na hindi pala yung group message. Talagang crush mo na ako that time. Yeah. Ngayon po, alam nyo na. Buti na una ako. Finally, after 12 years, eto na tayo. Ito na yung prayers natin. Thank you, Lord, na ikaw yung nilaan niyo para sa akin. Sobrang swerte ko. Teenager pa lang tayo noon, binigay ka na sa akin ni Lord. Actually, nagkausap kami ni Lord. Sabi niya, siya na yon, si Michelle na yon. Yun yung the one mo.
Raphael, will you have Michelle, the one standing next to you, to be your wedded wife, to live together in the holy estate of matrimony? Will you love her, honor her, and keep her in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, keep only to her, so long as you both shall live?
I will.
Rafael, where do I start? Sa haba ng pinagsamahan natin, there are so many things that I want to say. Kaso pag sinabi ko lahat, baka anong oras na tayo matapos.
Makakasayo pa ito.
Sana mag-umula.
Would you fight with me?
Isang descendants na ako
First and foremost, alam ko na ikukwento mo na ako ang unang nag-text sa'yo.
Talaga story namin.
For your information, you were the one who texted me first. Kaso, snub ka ng beauty ko noon.
Pangako, nakadalawang kape
You're
na
the
ako.
place where I
It was during na nagkasabay ang volleyball training natin. Naghahanap ako ng cute sa gym. Then at some point, napatingin ako sa'yo. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, ay parang cute siya.
hang on to the moment. It's
Then nagka-cramps ka. Nilapitan kita, tapos biniri kita ng, okay ka lang ba baby? Masakit ba? And the rest was history. Look where we are right now. After about almost 12 years, finally we are here. We made it, Han. As I look back over the past 12 years, I just keep on smiling. Sobrang proud ako sa atin.
you are where I begin. You are where I begin.
We grew up together. We were always there for each other through good and bad times. Best and worst days of our lives. We are each other's best friend.
5 years kami nag-LDR.
5 years of being in a long-distance relationship was not easy.
To die upon my loose.
Pero hindi ito naging hadlang sa atin. But it made us stronger. It makes me love you even more.
Distance never seemed so hard, but
Kahit LDR kami, never siya nag-miss ng good morning and hindi siya nag-miss ng good night sa akin. So, nung time na yun talaga alam kong siya na.
we could sleep 2,000
Thank you for accepting me for who I am. And thank you for loving me. Not just me, but also my family.
Wherever you are, I promise that I'll meet you. Wherever you are, I'll come running if you need me. I swear you're my one and only. I swear you
We've been through a lot together. And there were times na akala natin wala na, tapos na.
wherever you are is wherever
But the Lord never let it happen. We are meant for each other. We are soulmates.
taking
I always pray and thank God for blessing me an amazing man like you. You are one of the kindest, genuine, generous, God-fearing, caring, and humble person that I know. Ika nga ni Daniel Padilla, nasa iyo na ang lahat.
wherever you are. I promise that I'll meet you. Wherever you are, I'll come running if you need me. I swear you're my one and only. I swear you're never too far for us. 'Cause wherever you are is wherever we are. 'Cause wherever you are is wherever we are. 'Cause wherever you are is wherever we are. I swear you're never too far for us. 'Cause wherever you are.
I can wait to travel the world and make more memories with you. No more sundo, hatid na. Isa na lang ang uuwian natin. Mahal na mahal kita. Always and forever, Han.